Guys, coming to you from Radiant Boutique by Ree, and I am sharing with you the awesome new finds this week. I can't wait to share because there's so many cute jackets. If you're looking for some winter staples, these are just perfect. You're gonna love them. I can't wait to share. This is the first one, and I will switch this over in a second. Just want to remind you to join the Facebook group and get free shipping. Check out this jacket. It has Sherpa on the inside, so it's super warm and toasty. It's got this really pretty texture on the outside. Absolutely love it. It comes with pockets. It's cinched at this waist as well. Not as snuggly as the last one, but still you could put a great sweater underneath of this. You would have room, or a cute little tank cami. And then check out this adorable hat. It's so stinking cute. Would love to wear this skiing or somewhere where it's nice and cold. Absolutely adorable. Will keep your ears warm and toasty. Might have to get the hat too. Super cute. I want to share with you guys this gorgeous top in silver. I also have it in my room in black, so I can't wait to show you that one as well. I'm going to pair this red jacket with it to show you how cute it is, but oh, absolutely beautiful. I'm in a size small. It has ruching here in the back, and it's got a nice little cut to it. It's got a cut right here in the front, and then it wraps around. It's got 2 buttons in the back and a zipper. Like I said, I'm in a small. The sleeves have this little poof on the edge. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, you guys, check out this one in black. This is definitely going home with me. I know I keep saying that, but everything is so good today. Absolutely love this. This is a small. It's got the cutout in the front as well, and then it's got 2 buttons in the back and a zipper. It cinches back here. Absolutely beautiful. I am definitely going to wear this with a pair of black jeans. Absolutely love this. And I'm going to put a coat with it so you can see it with that as well, but just satin, beautiful, absolutely perfect for this holiday season. Okay, so I'm pairing this jacket with this top. Absolutely gorgeous, super buttery, soft deliciousness. So pretty. I love where this hits. It doesn't hit too short, so you have a little bit to cover the booty in the back, and it'll keep you nice and toasty. It has buttons up the front, so it closes really nice. And I'm gonna pair another jacket with this as well, so you can see it with 2 different looks, but this one, so snuggly. You guys, check out this jacket. It is buttery soft. It is like a suede kind of feel. Like, look at the texture of that. So pretty. It's got great length to it. Completely covers the booty, so you'll stay nice and warm. It also has a belt, so you can belt it up. It's got buttons down the front, so you are going to be extra warm in this. So soft, so smooth. Like, you just want to like pet it. It's so soft. So really cute. Pairs amazing with black, of course, and I absolutely love it. So it has pockets. I want to make sure you saw that. And it does have this little slit in between the front and the back. So super cute, super stylish, little collar here, little front pockets on both sides, just adorable. Hurry, this is back in stock. Such a cute, fun little jumpsuit. Would be great paired with one of those fun jackets. Just a cute little look. It's got pockets. Absolutely love how this one looks and fits, and it is so comfy and it's so soft. Just so soft. It's got one of those feelings where you just want to sit there and pet it. It's so pretty. So this is back in stock. Make sure you grab one if you missed out the first time. Sharing this gorgeous top with you guys. Absolutely love it. So pretty. Love the ruching in the stomach and ruching on the arms. This is so cute. This is perfect Friday night date night, which we are having. So this would be perfect for that. Also, this would be perfect for any fun event. If you have a wine night with girlfriends, or you're gonna actually go out and venture out, this would be perfect paired with jeans. Super cute. Or you could dress it up with a pleather pants or a pleather skirt. Would be super adorable. So such a fun outfit. It's got a little wrap front here in the top, and just really pretty. Something else I love about this top is that you can wear this year round. It is lightweight, super pretty. The colors will go with every season. Put a jacket with it, or take a jacket off and put a cute little skirt with it. It can go for anything. So this is a perfect staple to have year round.